Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AHL past papers and currently we are solving the IB Math AHL May 2021 paper 2 time zone 2 past paper. Today we will be solving the question 5 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in the description area in form of playlists. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 5. The maximum mark is 7. All living plants contain an isotope of carbon called carbon-14. When a plant dies, the isotope decays so that the amount of carbon-14 present in the remains of the plant decreases. The time since the death of a plant can be determined by measuring the amount of carbon-14 still present in the remains. The amount A of carbon-14 present in a plant T years after its death can be modeled by this equation E equal to A0 or A0 e to the power of minus kt, where t is greater than or equal to 0 and A0 k are positive constants. At the time of death, a plant is defined to have 100 units of carbon-14. The part A says, show that A0 equal to 100. It contains just one mark. So at the time of death, t is equal to 0 because t years after its death. So when the plant is dying, the t is equal to 0 at the time of death. So, and at that time, the 100 units of carbon-14 is present in the plant. So we can start answering from this point, this line. So in place of A, I am writing 100 equal to A0 e to the power of negative k. We do not know the value of k, but we know the value of t. It is equal to 0. And e to the power of negative k times 0 is 0, e to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So this is equal to A0. So A0 is equal to 100. Show. Okay. The time taken for half the original amount of carbon-14 to decay is known as it's known to be 5730 years. So half the amount is decaying. E is the amount present. So if half the amount has decayed, then half of it is remaining. Okay. So the original amount was 100. Therefore, what is remaining? 50 units is remaining. Okay. So subpart B, E will be 50. A0 is 100. And subpart B says show that K is equal to ln2 over 5730. So find we know T value. So e to the power of minus k times 5730. Okay. And so I can write this as 50 over 100, which is equal to half, equal to e to the power of minus k times 5730. And I can take the ln of both the sides. You can take the ln of both the sides at this stage as well. But since I am seeing in the expression it is ln of 2 and if I take the ln of both the sides, at this stage it will be ln of half. So let us write this in this form. So this is half equal to 1 over e to the power of k times 5730, because this is e to the power of minus k times 5730, which is 1 over e to the power of k times 5730. And then I take the reciprocal of both the sides. So it is 2 equal to e to the power of k times 5730. And now I take the ln of both the sides. So I'll be getting ln of 2. You can take the ln of this part as well, and you will be getting the same answer, but I have just done it this way. So this is ln of 2 equal to k times 5730, or k is equal to ln of 2 over 5730. Sure. Okay. I can write over here as well, A0 equal to 100. And so we have done A and B subparts. Coming to the third subpart, subpart C, find correct to the nearest 10 years the time taken after the plant's death for 25% of the carbon 14 to decay. If 25% is decaying, then what is remaining? This you have to remember, because E is the amount of carbon 14 that is present. If 25% has decayed, then 75% is remaining. Okay, so 75% of 100, because the 100 unit is the original amount. 75% of 100 units will be 75. Okay, so 75 units will be remaining. So this is the part C. In place of A, I am writing 75. And this A0 is 100. And e to the power of negative. Now we know the value of A, so we can write this. 5730 times t. This time we have to find the value of t. Okay, this is 75 over 100, which is 3 over 4, equal to e to the power of negative ln of 2 over 5730 times t. Okay, so I can take the log of both the sides, ln of both the sides. So I come to this place, taking the ln of both the sides. I can write it as ln of 3 over 4, or let me write it as 0.75. Both mean the same thing. So, okay, let us go to the previous version, and I am writing ln of 0.75 is equal to negative ln of 2 over 5730 times t. So E should be equal to negative ln of 0.75 times 5730 over ln of 2, which is equal to, now we have to use the calculator. So it is negative ln of 0.75 times 5730 times 5730 over ln of 2 into 2378.16. 2378.16. 378.16. So this answer can be written over here up to nearest 10 years. So it will be 2380 years okay. So this is the answer. Up to 10 years, correct, to nearest 10 years is 2380 years. Okay. So we have completed solving the question number 5. We have solved all the 3 subparts of this question. And thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I tutor IB Math A, SL and HL level students from inside India and outside India. And I am starting my group online math tutoring session batches from the month of July for IB Math A, SL and HL students. In case you are interested in joining my classes, you may contact me, you may mail me, you may text me, you may call me. You are seeing my WhatsApp number, you are seeing my email ID getting displayed. You can contact me for more details. Okay. And we will be meeting very soon in our next session where we'll be solving question number 6 of this very paper. So till then, bye.